Hi there guys, and how you doing? It's Easy Fix FX back again. Currently I'm waiting for one of these two pending orders to be triggered. I haven't taken any trades yet this week. I had some pending orders set earlier that weren't triggered, so I just cancelled most of them. Only one was triggered, but it was a small loss. I actually got tapped out at just below break even. But that was a tiny $85 loss. The price moved and then it came back and tapped me out at break even. Now, there was some news out earlier on the pound. It was the manufacturing production, monthly GDP and trade balance. The trade balance was quite negative. I think that's why the market's been quite bearish over the last 30 minutes or so, even the last hour. The other two figures were quite normal. So I'm just trying to make that 100k as promised in the previous video. Just going to see if one of these trades get triggered. I'm going to show you guys the trade from start to finish. Pretty much the whole trade from the time it gets triggered. So let's just see what happens with this one, guys. Now there we go, guys. We triggered in. Just going to close off this buy stop. We triggered in, guys. 25 lots. A sell on GbpUsd. This is quite a big trade here, guys. I'm risking a fair amount of my account. I'm probably risking about 5 grand. This is just the mental stop that I'm putting in here. It's not my actual stop. It's just a safety stop in case the market gaps. But the news is over, so we shouldn't see any major volatility in the markets. Yeah, guys, so just running at around 6 pips currently. Market seems to be moving nicely. It's just broken this actual channel that we're in here. Just broke that support demand level. So I'm just trying to see where to set I'm just going to set my TP to this next support level. Right over there where you see all those wicks. It'll be probably around 30 pips, 36 pips. Yeah. Okay, so that's where I've set my TP. That'll give me about just over 13k if it hits that. Let's just see how this plays out, guys. Now there, guys, it's been a few minutes and market seems to be moving in my favor a little bit here, a little bit more. It's around 13 pips. Currently running at just over 4k. Go 13, 14 pips. I'm not being too greedy. I mean, I can see there's a lot of money. The market makers are probably going to scoop that liquidity lower down. I've set my TP. It's definitely going to reach that level. Okay, I can feel it. As you can see, guys, it's moving. It's moving hard now. Just going to move my stop here to break even. Just below break even. Later on, I'll move it a little bit more. We're currently nearly at 7k. Halfway to my targets. Here we go, guys. We're reaching target. Just over 30 pips, just around 30 pips. Nearly at my 100k at 97, 98k. Let's see what happens here, guys. I wanted to show you guys a trade from start to finish once my order gets triggered, right till my TP. Yeah, as you can see, it's stalling out a bit at this support level. But I'm pretty confident that it's going to go through. Just needs that final little push. Probably going to pull back a little bit here and then follow through in the next candle or so. I hope. Just going to move my stop slightly more into profits, just in case the market gaps higher, but it's not going to do that. Give us that final push, man. Come on. Hurry up. It's testing the support that I showed you guys earlier. You can see it's going to reverse from this area, but it's later on, but it's definitely, the market's been too bearish the whole evening, so I think in the New York session it's going to reverse. It's definitely going to push through and stop hunt through this level first. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Here we go, guys. 100K has been made. As I told you guys, I'd do it this week. Pull out my next couple trades. Here we go, guys. It's all done. I'll show you my account history. See that $85 I lost there with all those buy and sell stops that weren't triggered. Here my profits from last week. Yeah, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you trade Forex. That's how you make a living from Forex. If that's what you want to do, you got to take this business seriously, guys. You got to learn how to trade. So if you want to learn, click that link below. If you want to learn how to do this daily and weekly and find yourself financial freedom through Forex and trading, click that link below, guys, and I'll happily show you guys how to do it. 100K, guys. Peace.